Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about Fabtech's 4-inch cross-member lift kit for the 2011 to 2018 GM 2500 and 3500 HD. Now this is going to be a complete front and rear kit for your 2- or 4-wheel drive truck that is designed to upgrade your suspension components while giving you that desired lift. Now the 4-inch system is going to feature high arched lower control arm cross members that are made out of 1/4 inch plate steel. And now your steering knuckles are going to be made out of ductile iron and are going to retain near stock track. Now that means it's not going to push your tire too far out past your fender. Now those features, combined with drop brackets for your differential and for your torsion bar, are going to give you your lift in the front, while your lift in the rear is going to come from spacer blocks and a new U-bolt configuration. Now with this kit, you're also going to get to choose from 4 different kinds of shocks depending on what kind of performance level you're wanting to get. Now just keep in mind, you're not going to be able to fit your OEM wheel and tire combo, but this kit will allow you to fit up to a 35-inch tire with some minor trimming. Now this kit is going to come with a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser, and it's also going to come with Fabtech's 560 Powertrain warranty. Now that means it's going to cover all of your major powertrain components for 5 years or 60,000 miles after the installation of this kit, whichever comes first. We also ship these kits for free to anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.